Welcome to MathGip. Class 6, exercise 4.1, part 5, we will discuss about algebraic problems. Let's start. Today we will start from number 7 because previous part we've already completed up to number 6. So number 7, here is two part A and B. We will try to solve step by step. Part A, if the price of a notebook is X taka, price of a pencil is a Y taka, and rubber price is Z taka. Our first question, what is the total price of 5 notebooks and 6 pencils? Let's try step by step. So here is summarize. It means notebook price is X taka, pencil Y taka, and rubber Z taka. So what is the total price of 5 notebooks and 6 pencil? So first, 5 notebook price is 5x. 6 pencil price is 6y because X means notebook, Y means pencil. So 5 notebook 5x, 6 pencil 6y. It's a simple term, right? So what will be the total price? Total price is 5x plus 6y. I hope you clear this one. Second question of number or part A. What is the total price of 8 pencils and 3 rubbers? Pencil means what? Pencil means Y. So 8 pencil means 8y, and 3 rubber means Z, and 3 rubber means 3z. So this is a simple thing. The price of 8 pencil is 8y, the price of 3 rubbers is 3z, and total price is 8y plus 3z. Number 3, what is the total price of 10 notebooks, 5 pencils, and 2 rubbers? Look, notebook means what? X. 10 notebooks means 10x. Pencil means Y. 5 pencil means 5y. 2 rubbers means Z, and 2 rubbers means 2z. So step by step, 10x, 5y, and what? 2z. Total price is 10x plus 5y plus 2z. Okay, just we make summation. Now part B, if the price of a group of 4 bananas is X taka, it means 4 banana price is X taka. This is a group. So what is the price of 5 group of 4 bananas? 5 group, look, 1 group 4 banana, 5 group 4 plus 4 times 5, it means 20 bananas, right? So 20 bananas price should be what? Look, the price of a 5 groups of 4 bananas, which is 5 times 4 means 20. 20 banana price is, it should be 5 group. 4 means X, it means 1 group. So 5 group is 5 times X is a 5x. Do you clear this one? If not, please write a line in the comments box. Why this one is 5x? 5x means 4 is 1 group, which price is X taka. So 5 group means what? 5 groups means 20 bananas. The price should be 5 times X, it means 5x. If the price of a group of 4 bananas is, we already done this one. So look, we know a group of 4 bananas, a group means 1 group equals to 4 banana, right? So what is the price of 12 bananas? From the given information, the price of a 4 bananas is X taka. So the price of one banana means what? X by 4. Therefore, the price of 12 bananas. So 12 times 1 banana, it means x by 4. So 12 divide 4 is a 3. So our answer is 3x. Clear this one? What is the price of 12 bananas? Look, 12 means what? 4 plus 4 plus 4, right? 4 price is x, another 4 price is x, another 4 price is x. So total price is 3x. It means 12 times x by 4. X by 4 means what? Look, 4 price x. So 1 price x by 4. Very simple. Number 8. Write down the correct answers. Which one of the following will be the result if 5 is subtracted from? Look, from 5 is subtracted from. So 5 subtracted from 2 times of x. It means 2x minus 5, because 5 is subtracted from 2 times of x. The result is 2x minus 5, which is number B. Number 2 of question 8. Which one of the following will be the sum of, look, sum of 3 times of a. So sum of 3 times of a means 3a with y times of x. It means y times of x means xy, and this one becomes summation. So the result will be what? Here is 3a plus xy. This is our result. Last question of this chapter. Which one of the following will be the result if the product of a b and x, product of a b and x, it means bx, is subtracted from the product of a and c. A and c means ac. So result will be ac minus bx. Where is ac minus bx? This is number C. And this is end part of this video. And also successfully we are completed our important chapter, which is exercise 4.1. Here we are trying to solve lots of algebraic word problem. So please subscribe my channel, because you will get lots of things from this channel. And also don't forget, share with others. Thank you.